Hello, student. Good evening and welcome to Filo. May I know the question which you want to ask? So, the
Hello.
question that you have shared with me, you want help with this question? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, student. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Great. May I get the confirmation that the question that you have shared is this you want to ask?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you want me to explain the method of solving the question or do you want the solution only?
Solutions only.
Okay. So just give me a moment to read the question and we will begin with the solution process. Maya, Ahmad and Carlos served a total of 106 orders Monday at the school cafeteria. Carlos served 4 times as many orders as Maya. Ahmed served 8 fewer orders than Maya. How many orders they each serve? So we can assume that let the Maya, because both the other guys have shared either more numbers of orders or has served Ahmad has served the lesser number of orders. So that is in relation with Maya. So uh, ma- let the order served by Maya is X. So let the order served by Maya is X. Now, according to the condition, what we do in such questions, we need to understand the statement and build the equation on that basis. So the first statement is that Carlos served 4 times as many order as Maya. So if Maya served X, Carlos is serving 4 times of Maya's order. That will be 4 times X, 4X. Did you get it?
Yes.
Why? Okay. And the Ahmad will serve the order of 8 fewer orders than Maya. So 8 fewer means that it is selling the less orders. So how we can write it as, it means that 8 fewer means X minus 8, because Ahmed has served some lesser number than Maya. So how many orders did they each serve? And they are serving a total of 106 orders. So if we add Maya's order, Carlos' order, and Ahmed's order, the total number of orders is are equal to 106. Now, can you tell me how we are going to add it? So we can add all the like terms. What is x plus 4x plus x?
That's 12.
Um, are you sure? It is only x plus 4x, which will be 5x, and again x will be added to 5x. So it will be,
Wait, excuse me. How do you got 5x?
um, if we add x plus 4x, since they are like terms, and x means that it is 1x. So 1 plus
Oh,
4 becomes 5, and we write the x as it is.
I got it.
If
Thank
we
you.
have Okay, if we have one more x than it, it is like we don't mention a 1 there every time, but we consider it as 1x. If nothing number is written, no number is written. So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6.
Six.
So then it becomes 6x. Now we cannot add 8 to it because it is not a like term. It doesn't have the value x. Since it doesn't have the variable x, using the addition property of equality, we can add 8 to both the sides so that 8 get cancelled out from one side because they are equal number but opposite in signs, and what we do on the one side of the equation, we need to do it on the other side as well. So adding any number to both the sides of equation is known as addition property of equality. And whatever we add, we do it to both the sides. So how much is 106 plus 8?
106 plus 8.
Mhm.
That's 114.
Very good, student. It is 114. Great job while adding them. Now we have to keep on doing the um, we have to keep on applying the addition property or division property of equality or subtraction property of equality if it is required. So we can divide both the sides with 6 so that we can only have the variable x and its value. So 6 divided by 6 will give us 1, and 114 divided by 6 is equal to 50. No, 114 divided by 6 is equal to 1 6. So it is going to be, sorry, 70. So the value of x is 70. And we did this by the division property of equality. Since we divided one side with 6, for eliminating the 6 from the x part, we need to divide that 6 to other part as well. Did you understand everything up to now?
Yes, I understand
If you
this
want,
one very well.
okay, sure. If you want me to repeat any part, you can always stop me whenever you have any doubt and you can ask me to repeat. I will be happier to do that. So we have got the value of x and we have assumed that x is the order served by Maya. So we got one value. That is, Maya has served 17 orders. And we can use this value to get the orders served by Carlos and Ahmad. So for Carlos, since he is serving 4 times more order than Maya, so since it is 4 times x, we can directly multiply 4 with 17, which is equal to 68. So Carlos has served 68 orders. And Ahmad, Ahmad is serving less orders than Maya. So Ahmad is serving x minus, we wrote that. So it's x minus 8 because it is 8 fewer orders. So we subtract 8 from the 70. So 70 minus 8 is equal to 9. So they all have uh, they have all 106 orders. So 4 times as many orders as Maya is 68, and Ahmed has served 17 minus 8, that is 8 times lesser order than Maya. So it is 9. So the answer we have is, we added all those numbers. It was 106 orders given. So how many orders did they each serve? They served 17,
One
68. Mhm.
and 9.
Yes. So is there any other question that I can help you with?
Oh, if I have another question similar to this,
Okay, you can share it to me using the chat box.
uh, how, how would I do that?
You can click the
Oh,
picture of the question or take a screenshot of it and you can attach it. The attachment option is given in the chat
yeah,
box.
I will do that right now.
Mhm.
Okay.
Actually, we did one calculation error in the previous question. Just one moment.
Uh,
After dividing 114, yes, after dividing 114 with 6, we will get 19. I'm really sorry, student. It will not be 17. It will be equal to 19. So Maya
19.
has served 19 orders. Yes, because we are dividing 114 with 6. So 6 times 1 is 6. 11 take away 6 is 5. We bring the next digit to the bottom, making it 54. And how many times 6 goes into 54? 9 times. And the remainder is 0. So it will not be 17, but it will be 19. And it will change our answer a little bit. Instead of 17, we will have 19 at other places of calculation as well. Since Maya has served 19 orders, so 4 times 19 is equal to 76, and 19 minus 8 is equal to 11. So the best way to check that we have done this correct or not is adding 19, 76 and 11 together, and we will get the total number of orders given in the question. So 19 plus 76 plus 11 is equal to, if we add 19 and 11, it becomes 30, and 30 plus 76 is equal to 106. It means that the solutions are correct. Please correct it a little bit. Just because of this value, our answer will change. The concept will be same. There is no difference in the concept.
yes,
We will move in the same order. Only the, yeah. Okay. So you have shared the next question with me. I hope that you have understood the previous one completely. So
yes,
write each set in the indicated form. If you need to use to indicate a pattern, make sure to list at least 4 elements in it. Okay. So we have a set of real numbers, and so we can write it as, the descriptive form is there, the set of even natural numbers greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 8. So all the even numbers which are greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 8. So since it has said about equal, we can take it as 4 as well. And while we write something in a roster form, we make this curly brackets. So 4 will be included because it is greater than or equal to 4. And 4 is also an even number. 6 is also an even number. And 8 is also an even number. So the set of even natural numbers greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 8 will be 4, 6 and 8. Do you want me to explain more of this question? There is a
yes,
second part
please.
of it as well. Okay. So the roster form is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, and the descriptive form. So what are the options given in the descriptive form where we have to choose one?
We have the set of natural num. Do you
Mhm.
want me to send you the screenshot instead?
Is there
Can I?
something saying set of? Uh, yes, you can please send it to
Okay,
me.
let me send it. Let me send it to you.
Mhm.
Okay, did you get it?
All right. Yes. So we have 4 options. The set of natural number greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 4. The set of positive multiples of 3. The set of natural numbers or the set of odd natural numbers. So the natural numbers are those numbers which we basically know as counting numbers. And it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and goes up to as many numbers as we can write. So in the question, it is only saying 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the question has only 1, 2, 3, 4, the right option would be that they are a set of natural number, because they have put it some commas, and that shows us that it goes more, like it goes to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and as many numbers as we want to write. So the correct option would be the set of natural numbers. And for the previous question, we like for the A part, we only have to look for those natural numbers which are natural as well as even also. So the even natural numbers can be those natural numbers which are the multiple of 2, or we can say it as that they come alternatively in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So even natural number starts from 2 and they move alternatively. After 4 there will be a 6 and then 8. And what it it was asked in a question that we have to include all those natural numbers. So this dash means that it will follow the same pattern. Like the natural numbers will follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and after that as well. And even natural number will be like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and it will continue. So this dash sign shows us that it is a pattern. Also in the first question, it was said that to think of a natural number which is even as well as greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 8. So we must include 4 and 8 because it is said that even natural number which are greater than or equal to 4 or less than or equal to 8. If it would have said only greater than 4 or less than 8, we could have think of only 6. But since it has said greater or equal and less or equal, we will include 4 and 8 as well. Did you get it now?
Yes, I literally get it. Thank you so much. But I have a different similar to this one. So this one you just
Mhm.
show me. I understand that, but I have one that looks
Mhm.
like the same, and I kind of like confused about it.
Not a problem, student. You can share the next question with me as well. We have around 7 minutes of time left with us, so we'll surely try to help you as quickly as possible.
7 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, in a one session, like you can always connect back. If the session ends immediately, you can connect to the next session, and by marking me as a favorite tutor, you can always connect me back if I'm online. So the next question is of similar kind. If you need to use to dash to indicate a
Okay.
pattern and write each set in the indicated form. So uh, we have to remember that natural numbers are just the counting numbers. This means that 0 is not a natural number, 0 is a whole number, and negative numbers are not natural numbers either. So the next question, can I see the options also available with the A part?
Yes, I will show it to you right now.
Mhm.
You really a good tutor.
Oh, okay. Thank you for that. I'm only trying to help you.
Yes, it's
Okay. So we have the options as the set of natural numbers greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 6. which is absolutely correct because the other options are not applicable to this roster form. Neither the set of positive multiples of 4, also not the set of natural numbers less than or equal to 6, because it's written as 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we know that they are the natural numbers, but these natural numbers are not less than or equal to 6, neither they are set of positive multiples of 4. Or the last option, the set of even natural numbers. So since we have odd number also, the fourth option is also not correct. Only and only the first option is correct because the set of natural numbers greater than or equal to 3. So we have taken 3 since it is written greater than or equal to, and we have included 6 in the last because it is written less than or equal to. That's why for the A part, the first option, the set of natural numbers greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 6 are correct. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, I get it.
Okay. The next question is the descriptive form for the set of even natural numbers greater than or equal to 6. Whenever it is written greater than or equal to any number, we include that number which is written as well. Like in this case, since it is written equal to, we will include 6 also and we will start from that. So after 6, we have to include the set of even natural numbers, and the set of even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So you can represent as many numbers that you want, like you can represent 6, 8, 10, 12, and it's not possible to represent many numbers. So when you have represented 4 or 5 numbers of a set, you can simply put a dash sign, which means that there are more numbers moving in the twos. After 12 there will be 14. It is understandable. So after writing few numbers in a set, if it is not possible to write whole set because there is no ending given to it, so we can represent it using a dash. It shows that they follow the same pattern. Okay,
Yes.
so did you understand both of
Yes.
the questions?
Yes. Yes. I
Okay,
understand both of them.
okay. So is there any other question that I can help you with?
Yes, there is one more, but the time says about to end right now.
Okay, you can quickly share it. I will try my best to solve it in the allocated time.
Yeah.
If it is not possible, you can always connect back.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Also, if the session ends sooner, you can rate the session as per your experience and you can mark me as your favorite tutor. So, whenever I will be online, you can connect me back. If I'm not online, someone from the team will definitely help you. The next question is write each set in the roster form and the condition is 8, 12, 16. So, I think if any option is given as the multiple of 4, uh, like if you have in the A part, if you have any options in multiple of 4, that must be the correct one. Okay. Okay. So we have the set of positive multiples of 4 that are greater than or equal to 8 and less than or equal to 16, because 8 is the starting point and 16 is the ending point. So these are the multiples of 4 because in the times table of 4 we get those multiple as a result. But we are starting those multiples from 8, 12, and we went up to 16. So they are equal to or greater than 8